Hey everybody, this is Tim. I just wanted to put a short video together here on my YouTube channel and go over a couple things with you. Yesterday we had a little bit of a rough day because the BLS job numbers came in and they came in stronger than expected. But one thing that has happened over the past, I don't know, probably close to 2 years is that the BLS jobs report always overstates job numbers and then they revise them down later. And we've looked at a lot of other jobs data, and it's obvious to us that this is what's happening again, that they have way overstated the jobs numbers, and they're going to be revising them lower later. Well, yesterday, the bond market took a hit because of this jobs report that came out. Today, we've not only recovered everything we lost yesterday, but we've even gained some. And that's because the market realizes what's happening, which usually doesn't happen. The market just goes with it. Now they've realized, okay, the BLS does this every time and they're always wrong. So we're not going to overreact. And so the market has gone back the other direction. So it's kind of actually cool that the bond market has recovered today because everybody's kind of realizing that these BLS jobs numbers are BS. And so anyway, just to share a little bit of data on it here to go over this a little bit. I'm putting this up on my screen. Right now, the 30-year bond is up 27 basis points. Interest rates move the opposite direction of the bond, and they move the same direction as the 10-year Treasury usually. 10-year Treasury's been a little bit weird, so I'm not going to really cover that much today. I'm going to stay with the bond. 27 basis points is what we've recovered. Yesterday we lost quite a bit, but we didn't lose that much. As you can see here, this was yesterday. It dropped down to here. I think we lost maybe about 15 or so basis points yesterday. We've gained 27 today, so that means over the 2 days we're up about 12, and that's why we're up into this range. At one point we hit 30 or maybe even 32 today. So we're going to see this fluctuate a little bit here and there throughout the day. But it's just a matter of where we end the day. My guess is we're going to end somewhere between 25 and 30 is what I would expect. And so that's going to be a nice little recovery. The highest we've been has been about right here at any point in time. And we're really approaching that level again. And that was all the way back in, let's see, like mid-January or so. We were at this level and we are starting to get very close to that again. We would love to actually break above this line because there's a lot of room above that. Actually, we did hit, if you look here on this one day, which was January 9th, we actually did hit way up here and almost touched this next line, but we went well above this line. And then by the end of that day, it dropped all the way back down below this line. So very strange day back on the 9th. Can't remember what was going on there, but it went way up and then it dropped back down below this line. So we would love to be able to break above that line and stay above that line for a period of time because of the room that we have here before we get to that next ceiling. So anyway, just wanted to go over that really quickly. The BLS jobs report numbers really hurt us yesterday, but the market has figured out that the BLS is BS, and therefore we've recovered it all and then some today. So that's very positive, and that's what I wanted to cover today. If you have any other questions or anything or comments, certainly let me know, as I'm always here to help. Thanks.